Hello, first graders. Today for math, you have a test to take. You will be completing 4 pages in your class activity workbook. Pages 129, 130, 131, and 132. Although yours is not in color like mine, this is what it should look like. So the directions say write the numbers. So for number 1 and 2, you're going to be writing how many tens and how many ones, and then the total number here. For 3 and 4, it says to draw 10 sticks and circles, so you'll be doing that here and here. And then for number 5, it says to add 1 10, and you'll write the answer here. Number 6, how many pencils? Write the answer in the box. Then for the next page, which is page 130, the directions for number 7 and 8, how many muffins are there? Okay, and then you'll write the answer here in the boxes. Number 9 says count on, make a 10 or use doubles. Find the total. Okay, that's there for number 9 and number 10. You'll add those numbers together and write the total. The next set of directions say to compare the numbers. Write greater than, less than, or equal to. You'll do that for 11, 12, 13, and 14. And then on the next page, we have page 131. The directions say solve the story problem. Show your work, use drawings, numbers, or words. 15. There are 10 bagels in a bag and 9 extra bagels. How many bagels are there? Don't forget to show your work here. You'll need to also label it, which means what are we talking about? How many of what? Number 16 says Scott has a box of 3 red pencils and 8 blue pencils. How many pencils does he have? Okay, you'll write the answer here and label. Don't forget to show your work. 17, there are 9 fish. Then 5 more fish come. How many fish are there now? So you'll do the same, your answer, and then you're going to label what are we talking about, and then here, make sure you show your work. All right, for the last page, which is page 132, for 18, 19, 20, and 21, it says to find the total. So you'll simply add these together and write the total in the box. The next set says to solve, to complete the set of exercises. Okay, so for 22, 23, and 24, you'll solve these problems. Number 25, which is the extended response. Write a number from 20 to 60. Whatever number you choose, then you will add 1 10. Write the new number. Draw and write to compare the numbers. So you'll need to choose a number and write it. Add 1 10, write the new number, and then you'll need to compare the numbers. Okay, so please make sure you're not receiving any help on this. This all needs to be your own work, and then you will need to take a picture so that your teacher can see all 4 pages and submit to your journal in Seesaw. Good luck, guys!